Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all you happy and well. So in today's video, take some colorful buttons and glue them on stick. Now arrange them in a small vase. Look at mere beautiful flowers, so simple and so pretty. Button pictures frame, pick an or photo frames, add buttons around the edges with glue. Mix big and small buttons. Fun look is your picture frame look. Is now colorful and unique. Viewers and button tree art. Draw a tree with the branches on paper. Stick green and colorful buttons as leaf. Frame it with glue. Hang on your wall. Easy buttons tree art anyone can try. Button jewelry. Take a thread and pass it thought buttons. Tie the end and now you have a cute button bracelet or necklaces. Fun to make and fun to wear. Viewers and buttons keychains. Thread some buttons on a keyring. Add different shapes and size. Now you have a fun die buttons keychain, cute and useful.